Yeah, so I want you to try these Indian chips. They're called Kurkures.
Chutney.
This one's a green chutney.
I love chips. Oh, they're actually good.
All right, and this one's the masala munch. Which one's better?
The green one.
The green one?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like you liked any of them.
I like the green one better.
All right, green chutney.
Alright.
Try this one first.
The green cure? No, the
Green chutney.
kind of like Cheetos?
Kind of. All right, this one's called the masala munch.
This one has the spices.
Yeah.
I taste the spices. Okay.
Which one? Which one's better?